Today we're going to talk about transformations and functions. We're going to start off the unit with horizontal and vertical transformations. A transformation is a mathematical and graphical operation that changes the equation and the graph of a function. The graph of a function can change its shape and location, just like what you've seen in grade 11. The term mapping is often used to describe a change in points. For example, points f of x are mapped into image points g of x. So points f of x are on the parent function, and the image points are on the transformed function g of x. Recall from grade 11 math, y1 is equal to x squared and undergoes transformations to become y2 is equal to x squared minus 2. So y1 and y2 are related in one way. y1 is the parent function and is transformed to become y2. So each point of y1 is mapped into a new point on y2, such that on y1 we have points xy, and y2 we have points x comma y minus 2. If we were to graph this, y1 is going to be x squared. Now I've drawn it in pink and written in red. Now y2, on the other hand, is x squared minus 2. And what has happened to every point on y1 is that it has been shifted down 2 units to become y2. So we're able to symbolize this in our mapping notation. F of x is to denote a function. In transformations, when you see f of x, think of it as the parent function or the initial or fundamental function upon which all transformations will be based. So recall from last year, if a parabola of f of x is equal to x squared is transformed to become g of x is equal to, open brackets, x plus 2, close brackets, squared minus 3, then f of x was shifted 2 units to the left and 3 units down. That is, I start off with f of x and I transform it to become g of x. So in order for f of x to become g of x, we need to shift this over 2 units to the left, 3 units down. What we're able to see is that h is negative 2 in g of x. K is going to be negative 3. Now recall from quadratics, whenever you have whatever is in the brackets was often opposite of what you thought it would be. Since h is negative 2, now h is the horizontal transformation from last year, and it's going to be a shift to the left since h was negative. K is vertical, and since it's negative 3, it's 3 units down. Now if a parabola f of x is equal to x squared is transformed to become g of x is equal to, open bracket, x minus 2, close bracket, squared, plus 3. Then we say f of x was shifted 2 units to the right and 3 units up. So in this example, my h was positive 2. My k was 3. So we got h from this component and then k from here. You may remember, again, everything that is happening to the x or in brackets is often opposite of what it appears. It took a while to get used to that notation in quadratics last year.